Network Entertainment.
Welcome to Lecheng Pag-ibig To.
New episode every Wednesday.
Yes, we are back with another episode of Lecheng Pag-ibig To. Before anything else, sorry for my face. Medyo jet lagging tayo ngayon. I had the privilege of hosting a beautiful wedding all the way in Turkey.
Yeah. Where exactly in Turkey?
Ito
Kala mo naman nakarating na ng Turkey, di ba?
Grabe. Where
Gusto ko yung tanong. Like, where exactly in Turkey?
Well, it's actually, ito si groom, no? Who's a friend of mine, si Rafa. Gusto niya kasi, he never had a proper wedding when they got together. It's one of those parang signing of contracts, diba, civil wedding. So it was their 10th year anniversary and they wanted to do a renewal of vows, which is becoming a thing right now.
Yes.
If you notice, diba, yung mga renewal of vows.
Mga pagdating ng 10th year together, di ba?
So, gusto niya na yung wedding, since it's their first wedding na medyo...
Big wedding.
They wanted to do it in between Asia and Europe. So, they got married in the river that
middle.
divides Asia and Europe. And that's where I hosted.
Like, right in the middle?
Mhm.
Ito yung nasa
Kaya mo yun?
stories? Like,
Kaya mo yun?
kaya
Saan ka
ba,
pinakasal? Saan ka pinakasal? Well, we were in the middle of Asia and Europe. So, well...
ano ba? Okay lang ba to ask kung magkano?
You know what?
Like,
Okay, here's one thing. Before we get to the topic today, a lot of people are assuming kasi pag out of the country wedding,
mahal.
it's super expensive, especially if you go to Europe and stuff like that. But what I realized is when you do these out of the country weddings, sukatan ng friendship.
Kasi sila gagastos.
Of course.
Oo.
Ang pupunta
For
lang naman
pamasahe.
talaga yung mga tunay mong kaibigan and
Closest
family
ones.
members. So it was a group of 80 people.
Pero sinagot nila yung hotel?
No.
Kasi usually, di ba, minsan pag out of town, yung iba sinasagot.
For
Dito, hindi.
of course, their parents, ninongs. But for
For
the guests,
ninongs and ninangs only, hindi yung entourage.
no.
Okay.
Kaya nga sabi ko, yung mga out-of-town weddings, out-of-the-country weddings to be specific, medyo sukatan ng friendship yan. Kasi let's say, Chacha, papakasal ako. Diba? Saan? Sa Netherlands. Okay, pero...
Makikita mo sino gagastos for you.
And we're
sino
not-
willing maglabas
Correct.
ng pera.
And we're not talking about just one day. Siyempre, you're gonna travel there. Isang
Yes.
araw mo ubos. Pabalik, 2 days gone. So we're talking about at least, if you're just attending,
A
what,
week?
4 days?
Oo, or
4,
3 days,
5. Kung
3, 4
lalagariin
days.
mo, diba? So that was a story, but nonetheless, it was a beautiful wedding. And
Was.
congratulations, Rafa and Renee. And
And you're
happy to be
so
back.
back. At ito ba galing din Turkey?
Hindi.
Guys, sa mga nakikinig, kung di kayo nanonood, may bagong iPad Pro po. Kung dati, ito po, pinapansin niya yung iPad ko, naka-Shopee tayo ha. Na keyboard dito. Yung kanya mamahalin, guys.
Hindi
yung
ko-
kasama talaga sa package ito.
Ito yung may package,
Yung package to. Galing din ba Turkey yan?
I just want to appreciate my wife. No?
Your beautiful
My
wife.
beautiful wife.
Your beautiful and sexy wife.
Yeah, who always is mad at me. You saw the photos I
I know.
take.
You guys are always like that. Diyos ko, Esa. I feel you
The
so
photos
much.
I take. Yung
Doon
double
sa
chin ko, ha?
video.
Yung double chin ko,
Bakit
ko, ha?
kayo ganon?
We're following instructions.
My
diba?
God. Oh, well, going back to your beautiful wife.
So, she gave me this iPad for my birthday. I think this was a year and a half ago. Tapos na-realize ko sa plane, kung ayaw mo yung in-flight entertainment, pwede ka pala mag-download. Let's say if you have Netflix or something, you can download episodes and watch it on the plane. Oh, and it's free. May Netflix account ka.
Oo.
Hack yan. Next time you're on a long flight, you can download whatever series you're watching if you wanna start watching a series.
Yeah. Naka-download na siya. No need for Wi-Fi. Yes.
Correct.
Papi, kahit sa YouTube, pwede yun.
Kailan ko na-realize yun? Last
Oh
month!
my God, akala ko may bago siyang sinasabi.
Wala!
Meron nga.
Hindi
Ngayon
ko
mo lang
alam.
Salamat naman si Esa, ang asawa mo, alam mo na ngayon. So that's the reason kung ba't kanya binigyan nito.
Kaya nilabas ko sa baul, sabi niya, yung iPad, buti naman ginamit mo yung regalo ko sa'yo.
Exactly my words, Esa. Buti naman, finally, nagamit niya dito sa podcast.
Also, just cause I'm more of a laptop guy. I'm not sure if kung ikaw.
Hindi
Ikaw mobile
iPad ako.
mobile ka.
No, iPad talaga kasi mas magaang.
Oo.
Because I read a lot. Kailangan
Okay.
for work, for news.
True.
So mas okay sa akin yung mas anywhere, kaya kong dalhin. Mabibigyan pa ako ng slides sa ano.
Ako, matype kasi ako na tao. So, I'm
Di ba
more
ba tayo
of a... Kaya
matype
nakita ko yung kung mga keyboard ka, nilalabas mo
Baka
ng
naman,
kwarto.
papi. Baka naman marigaluhan mo rin ako. Nakita
Oh my
nyo
God.
naman yung pagtitipid natin dito.
Grabe. Ay, dapat lagay mo yung promo code. Ay, yung code niyan para...
Sa Lazada.
May affiliate. Chuvanes sila.
Yarn? Uy, pero masarap to gamitin, ha?
Let me try it.
You wanna try it? No. You should try this.
Mamaya yan.
Pero welcome back.
Thank you.
Kasi naiinggit lang kami sa mga nakikita namin sa stories. Kasi nga, parang work and vacation na rin yun. Workation. Kasi nakapag-ikot din kayo ni Esa kahit papano.
Kasi it's like...
First time niyo ba sa Turkey?
Turkey, yes. And I was... Oh my God. If there's one place... Oo. Alam mo, I was
daming
so...
promo ngayon, guys. Nakikita nyo online.
Yes.
Pupunta ng Turkey para mga 7 days and then yung fare and everything kasama na lahat, parang mga 100 to 120,000 pesos. Ganyan yung mga offers.
And Turkey is... I've never been, so hindi ko na ma-expect ko. It was such a beautiful place.
Wow, with conviction.
Oo. I am not kidding. We're talking about the sights. The food was so good. The shopping... Ito. Pinost ko yun. May Zara sila.
I
may
saw
sarili silang. Kasi ang daming
Zara
na made in Turkey, di ba? So aside from Zara, now we're talking about their own Turkish brands that look Italian, that look high-end, but presyong Turkey.
So mas mura?
Mas mura. Pero yung look, the Loropianas, the ganon.
Hindi natin alam yung Loropianas kung ano man yan. Mayaman masyado. But basically, nag-enjoy ka.
Yes.
And then the food.
The food was amazing.
How was the people in Turkey? I mean,
super
very
nice.
Accommodating sila.
Very accommodating.
Hindi sila parang mga tao sa Hong Kong na masusungit.
Medyo masungit. No, not at all. So definitely a place that you might consider visiting. Turkey should be on the list.
Pang family ba to? Pang mag-jowa? Pang mag-friends? Kasi di ba meron mga, like Morocco, hindi siya pang pamilya, hindi siya pang bata.
Never been.
Yun ang sinasabi ng mga friends ko. Pero like Turkey, ano ba? Pwede magdala
pang family to.
Okay, pang family.
Then we went
Sige,
to...
pera na lang. At least meron na kami. Nila Jeff dito. Nila Jasper nang pwedeng puntahan. Pera na lang siguro.
Hindi, alam ko yung Cebu kasi yung piece of fare. Wala nga lang
Wala lang papuntang Turkey. How many days did you stay?
We stayed there for 5 days. Tapos we moved to Santorini.
Yeah, I saw. My
yun,
God,
hindi
sa bucket list ko yun.
Oh my God. Yun talagang breathtaking.
First time, hindi mo first time?
First time. Second time in Greece kasi nag-Mykonos ako dati and Athens. Tapos ngayon, Santorini first time. Grabe.
Kwentuhan mo kami. Okay.
Sobrang ganda. It was breathtaking. Esa found this Airbnb na nasa cliff. Nakatira kami sa isang cave sa cliff.
How many days?
We were just there for 3 days, which is enough. Kasi 3 days mo lang makikita mo yung buong Santorini. It's a small island.
So, kamusta siya? Like, yung nightlife and all that, shopping?
May nightlife area. Shopping, wala masyado. It's more of the sights. You get to relax. As in, you get out, have your coffee, kita mo yung dagat and everything.
Kumbaga, hindi mabibigyan ng justice sa mga photos.
Hindi. Hindi siya pang pamilya though. That I must say. That is a place that you wanna go to. Siguro as a couple, pag medyo, kasi ang dami ng stairs, puro stairs up and down, tapos hindi flat yung steps. So habang bata, habang kaya nyo do it, and it's a bit more pricey than Turkey, but it's definitely worth it. And then last, we stopped in Athens.
Grabe, daming inikot, di ba?
Si Esa kasi mahilig sa mga Socrates, mga Plato, ganyan.
Siya nagplano ng buong trip?
Yung Turkey,
mahilig siya sa itinerary and all that. DIY to.
Oo, more or less.
Wow. DIY. I mean, wala akong energy to do that. Di ko alam kung ako lang yung babae na ganon.
No, alam mo si Esa, in fairness, siya yung masipag maghanap ng B&B na maganda.
Galing.
Kasi sa akin, when you go on vacation, whether it's Hong Kong, you go to, let's say, another place, Japan, minsan it's the accommodations that make it a vacation eh.
Agree.
Kaya that's always the debate na mag-B&B ba tayo o mag-hotel?
May point.
Kasi sa pag-hotel, siyempre, pag uwi mo na, ayos na yung kama, diba? May room service and whatever.
Iisipin.
But then, let's say you go to a place like Japan, pag naka-B&B ka, mas malaki yung space mo.
Yes.
Ang lilit ng hotel sa Japan, ha? Diba? Parang laging...
Pero there are B&Bs also there na maliliit.
Correct. So now, si Esa magaling maghanap ng B&B.
Bakit kayo nag-decide na mag-B&B instead of hotel? Para mas
ma-feel
nyo ba?
Oo.
Mas ma-feel nyo yung parang...
Gusto talaga namin ng space pag
mas malaking space lang. Okay.
Hindi kayo confined to one room. So,
saya.
Yeah. So Athens is also good. And then we got back a few days ago. And I hosted the wedding of the century ni Papi Archie.
Ito yung pag-uwi mo.
Oo.
Yeah.
Yung may
nakita nyo naman.
Lag,
so technically, walang nawala kay Papi.
Hindi, local.
Kasi pagbalik niya dito, kumita siya dun eh. Diba? Tapos pag uwi niya, kumita ulit siya.
Ay, nako.
Pero wag kayong mag-alala, at least ngayon na naririnig nyo siya dito sa podcast, pahinga siya. So sa tuwing naririnig nyo siya dito, eto lang yung pahinga niya.
Wiwi ang pahinga. That's what we always say. But happy to be back. Dami nangyari.
Yeah.
I was catching the news when we were abroad, magkaka-rehabilitation na EDSA, wala na.
Suspended.
But anyway, we have a letter that we are gonna get to for this episode. This person, I'm not gonna mention the sender, no? Kasi, tawag dito, medyo matagal na siya sumusulat sa atin. Tapos nag-follow up siya. Baka naman. I'm not sure if nadaanan mo yung email niya, but I'm gonna read it, no?
Okay.
I'm not gonna mention her name yet. Which I think is a bit apt these days kasi parang usong-uso yung mga fun run. You've been doing a lot of runs. You've been back on cycling.
Cycling, yes. Pero mas pahinga on running. Dahil, di ba na-injured
correct.
So, na-trauma ako, papi eh.
Oh.
For someone like me na, well, mabigat ako. Alam nyo naman yun. Kumbaga, hindi ito yung usual size ng babae. Mas delikado for mabibigat to run. Kasi syempre, may pressure yung impact.
Right.
Unlike with cycling, niikot mo lang yung paa mo. Mas safe siya for me.
So, you're back to cycling?
Hindi naman,
And then may sumisikat ngayon. May sikat ngayon na, na parang medyo CrossFit-ish. I'm not sure if you've seen it. Hyrox.
Matagal na yan. Nakikita ko yan.
Pero I mean, ngayon siya nag-boom.
Oo, nag-boom siya ng todo.
Yung boom niya ngayon, crazy.
Yes.
Diba?
And nakita kita, nagpilates ka.
Oo, yun, nag-try ako. Malamang first and last.
Pero
no?
you know that, mahirap.
Mahirap.
Alam mo, yan daw yung perfect for people who are aging.
Correct.
Kasi it's more of stretching.
Yes. And
mobility.
And core
yun
talaga.
Daw dapat.
Hindi ka pwede. Mobility talaga.
Ba't tayo mo na ulitin?
Mahirap eh.
Sobra.
Tsaka ako gusto ko yung intensity.
Okay.
Nandun pa ako sa face niya. But before all this, the boom of, the re-boom of running was always there. Cycling was always there. Nag-boom yung Hyrox. Ironman was also super big before. Do you remember the Spartan days?
Ngayon ko lang siya nalaman nung nagsimula na ako mag-running.
Etong mga cycling. Gumagapang ka sa putek, all that stuff.
Na parang fun din.
Correct.
But I don't think I'll do it kasi namemesihan ako. Sa akin lang
yes,
ako lang to.
It's a messy
pero
race.
Ang weird kasi di ba nag-gravel ride ako? Mas messy lang to kasi talagang gapang ka eh. Gapang to sa putik. Oo.
Tapos amugyan talaga to ng
yes.
ng itsura niya. I'm bringing that up because itong story natin kind of revolves around the Spartan race. That's how they met.
Ay, taray!
So, for those who have been going through these, run phases or these athletic events.
Kumbaga fitness era.
Correct. Doon kayo nagkakakilala. Diba?
Now,
which is happening now. Maybe you'd be able to relate to this, no? Okay. It goes like this. Dear Sam, YG, and Chacha, super big fan of Lecheng Pag-ibig to from day one. And feeling ko kayo lang masasabihan ko nito. And that's what we love. If you guys have letters, you have issues, things you're dealing with in life, feel free to write us, send us an email, follow us on Facebook. And sabi niya, I'm writing to let something out that's been sitting heavy in my chest for weeks. This is not a love story, but maybe it was almost one.
Almost a love story.
Or maybe it was never really was. Maybe it was just me hoping too hard. We met at the Spartan race. Wala malalim na usapan, no deep connections, just a quick encounter. But something about her stayed with me. After that race, I followed her on Instagram and started trying to reach out. Nag-engage kami sa small talk. Mga DM. Nice. Small comments, simple gesture, yung mga fire.
Yeah, heart.
Diba? Simple gestures.
Squirt. Ay, sorry po, hindi pala kasama.
Favorite ni Jasper.
Kaya nga eh.
But her mood was unpredictable. Minsan warm siya, minsan distant. Her walls were high, and I did not know how to climb the walls. Eventually, I unfollowed her, thinking maybe lilipas din. Maybe it was just a phase. But hindi. I still thought about her every day. So, I tried again. I'm not sure if you've done this. In-unfollow mo. I followed her back and started to reach out.
Bakit?
Style ko yun dati ng Twitter eh. Ina-unfollow ko para pag finalo ko, Sam, followed you again. Finalo na ako nitong gago.
Nakaka-bad trip yun. Wag sanang kabisado niya na pinafollow. Nababad trip ako sa mga gano'n.
Talaga, yung in-unfollow ko.
May nakilala ka sa event. Tapos, biglang magpa-follow back sa'yo. Na-follow na ako nito. So, in-unfollow niya ba ako? Tapos finollow back niya ako.
Ay nako, yung mga ayaw niyo i-follow, ganito lang yan.
Why do you do that?
Side note before we get to this, yung mga fina-follow nyo out of courtesy, we talked about this before, we had an episode on the courtesy follow.
Wala pa.
Wala ba tayong ganon?
Wala pa. Si Esther yata kausap mo dyan. I know na minsan hindi mo naman
Hindi. Okay, sorry Pause ko lang to.
Oo, wala pa, di ba?
Hindi.
Wala pang topic about it. Courtesy follow. Walang ganon.
Courtesy follow.
What is that? Explain.
Okay. Ito yung mga 'Di ba? Ayaw mo talaga i-follow. Wala ka naman talagang pakialam sa kanila. Pero since kamag-anak, pinsan,
nakilala sa event.
Pinakilala, finalo ka. Tapos follow mo rin ako. Diba?
Or no, sometimes kasi, finalo ka, hindi naman yung sinabing follow mo ko, pero siya kahiyain.
Yun nga.
Para namang nagbigay ng regalo, tapos di mo ibabalik, diba?
Yun yung para sa Christmas.
So, okay na ako doon sa courtesy follow Pero itong ibang mga nagka-courtesy follow, magugulat ka, alam mong nag-follow sa'yo. Tapos magugulat ka, pag nakita kayo ulit sa event, followed you. Finalo na ako dito dati. So,
diba?
Finalo ako ulit. I mean,
okay.
May ginawa ka na bang ganon?
Definition of... Hindi, wala.
Okay, good.
Sa akin kasi, okay, sige, pag mayroong mga tao na ayaw mo i-follow, number one, i-unfollow nyo. We are living in 2025. Kung ayaw nyo i-follow yung taong yon, it's okay to unfollow.
It's going to be an issue.
If it's an issue, mute. Merong mute feature si
yun na lang.
Instagram, Facebook. Sige, para hindi niya masabi, hindi mo ako fina-follow. Fina-follow ko to.
Papi, aside from mute, there's also restrict.
Oh.
Naaliw ako pag kasi naalala ko yung sinabi mo kanina na, pwede pala siya i-download tas walang wifi. May restrict din.
Okay.
Pa-explain mo kay Exo.
Sige.
Parang mute din siya. But anyway, okay, going back to the letter.
Alam nyo na,
pagkakawaw niya.
Courtesy follow, ha? Yung mga kina-courtesy follow nyo, fina-follow nyo lang. Ayaw nyo talaga i-follow, pero sige.
So how many followings meron ka? Ilan yung fina-follow mo? Kasi ilang percent dyan ng courtesy follow lang. Guys, yung mga nakikinig sa amin ngayon, Instagram or Facebook man yan. Sa Instagram na lang, ilan ang fina-follow nyo, ilan dyan ang mga courtesy follow lang.
I follow 6,200 people.
Dami, Papi!
Oo.
Really?
Oo.
Wow, ako I wanna check. Wait, I don't know.
Sa 100 tanong, meron akong 1,000,000 sagot. At minsan, mas marami pang tanong. This is Kuya Kim and I'm thrilled to invite you to my podcast under the Pod Network, Ano Ba Talaga? With me, Kuya Kim Atienza. Kaya kung may gusto kayong malaman, matutunan o ma-discover na bago, makinig na kayo sa podcast na to. Marami akong mga guests, topics, trivia, and revelations on the show. Ang masisiguro ko sa inyo, you'll always learn something new. Just search for Ano Ba Talaga with me, Kuya Kim Atienza, on Spotify and wherever you listen to podcasts.
How many people do you follow?
Oh my God, alam mo kaya tingin talaga nila sa akin, masama ugali ko.
Ilan?
2,000.
Seryoso?
2,000, 3.
If you are part of the 2,000 people na fina-follow ni Chacha, #blessed kayo.
Sorry kasi, bakit ba 2,000?
Hindi, tama nga naman kasi...
Ang bait ni Papi, no? Kasi like, I totally get you. Sobrang dami mo nakikilala sa event.
Also,
it's impossible na kamag-anak mo yan.
I also host for a lot of weddings. So,
yes.
I mean, I become close to a lot of the couples. So, fina-follow ko rin sila.
Because sometimes, even if kunwari tatag nila ako, nakilala ko sa event, minsan nakakalimutan ko i-follow. I should do that.
Yun nga That's a courtesy follow.
Dapat i-follow ko. Kahiyaan.
Tsaka yung algorithm mo, diba, Google, parang okay. Anyway, courtesy follow, that's it.
Okay.
Let's get back to
Let's make a separate topic for that. Okay, go.
Okay. Anyway, I followed her back and reached out, hoping to start fresh. Eto na yung sinasabi mo, yung nag-unfollow ko. Finalo na ako nito. Bakit nag-unfollow? I explained to her why I stepped back, admitting that I might have come off awkward or unsure. But deep down inside, I was just sincere. No games, no big expectations, just honesty. But her only response, concerned about the follow thing, yun ang follow niya. That's what she noticed. Not the words, not the effort, just that. Then silence na naman. She did not reply after that. She didn't accept the new follow. She did not even say no. Then recently, I saw her on my feed.
Ayan na.
Laughing, free, living her life like I have never existed. In short, happy-happyhan. Ito yung nakita mo, happy na siya. I was at the gym trying to feel okay, then suddenly, hindi ako okay. Parang binuhusan ako ng malamig na tubig. My heart dropped and even the lightest weights felt too heavy. Nakabigat nito. All this time, I thought maybe I was just being too emotional. Maybe I was imagining things. But no, what I felt was real, kahit hindi mutual. So this is me not asking for anything anymore, just closing this for myself. Because for me, no reply is a reply. And that silence, that says more than anything.
Tama.
But still, hindi ako galit. I just need to say this somewhere so I can finally breathe again. Get it out of my chest. Kaya kami nandito sa Legend Pag-ibig to. Tago nyo ako sa pangalang Princess Bubblegum. She could have been my Marceline, but I guess not all stories can be like that. Sincerely, someone who tried and now is finally letting go. Ashley. Ang daming blurred lines bago natin
wait. They're both girls?
Seems like it.
Oo, di ba? Tama, no? Oo. So, walang something.
Para sa kanya, obviously, may something.
Bakit? I mean, base dun sa... Paano nagka-something? But for me, parang it's clear. Wala. But it's a one-way street eh.
That's what's tricky these days eh. Naku-confuse nga ako, like, paano na ba nag-ano yung mga tao? How do they jump from hanging out or dating to being together?
Paano ng dating mechanisms ngayon?
I think the dating mechanisms, text pa rin, I mean, DMs, whatever.
We're not sure kung ganun ba talaga. I mean,
pero,
tanungin mo si Jazz, Gen Z. Oo,
Jazz,
paano ba? Jazz, nagte-text pa ba kayo? Paano na-eksena nyo? DM, tawagan?
Ilan taon na ba si Jazz?
I mean, nagpupuyat pa rin ba ang mga Gen Zs ngayon? Hindi na like, kausap, 4 hours sa phone? May mga ganun pa kayo? La, corny nyo. Kita mo, wala silang ganun. Di ba Papi, naranasan nyo na Esa yun?
Oo naman, naalala ko yung days na, alam mo, yung tatago ako at 2 a.m. kasi yung nanay ko, baka hilain yung...
High school days.
Extension line.
Or iaangat.
Oo.
Pakikinggan yung usapan.
Diba? O kaya yung pager, mahiya ka pa. Hello, this is Beeper 150. Ano po message nyo? Gusto ko lang sabihin na, yes sir, na I miss, wag na lang po.
Hindi ko naabot yung pager era.
Beeper 150?
No.
Are you serious?
No. I mean, grade school kasi ako noon, papi. So wala pa akong jowa noon. Pero yung 3-way, inabot ko. Landline, yes
ngayon, iba na ibig siya ng 3-way eh.
Ibang 3-way nasa utak
iba na
nyo.
3-way ngayon
3-way call.
Ka-call.
So,
nag-uso yan. Yung PLDT, nag-launch niyan. Yung parang...
3-way call. Na kunwari, tropa kayo.
Correct.
Sam, 3-way mo naman may extra fee for 3-way calling.
Yun. May extra.
God. At pag naka 3-way calling yung bahay nyo, angat-angat ka sa buhay, be. Kasi kami nun wala, yung isang tropa ko yung meron eh.
Correct.
Ang gagawin dati nung high school, Sam, tawagan mo naman si Jasper. Pakinggan ko kung anong pag-uusapan, dito lang ako. Tanong mo naman kung gusto niya ako. Uy, ganun ka cheesy, swear, ganun talaga.
Ngayon pag sinabi.
Ganun.
Ngayon. Para tawagan mo si Jasper, gusto niya ng 3-way. Iba na dati niya ng 3-way eh. Para gusto mo ng 3-way.
Papi, wala nang gumagawa nun. But those were the days na sobrang simple ng buhay. Pero di ba, hindi mo ginawa yun?
Si PDD sumikat sa pre-off niya eh.
Iba yun.
Ibang 3-way ba?
Pero aminin mo, ginawa mo yun.
Yeah.
Diba?
Pwede nga kayo marami, di ba?
Oo, kasi kapag maraming may 3-way sa tropa.
Lahat kayo, pwede mag 3-way party.
Pero yeah,
yun yung freak off.
Medyo gets kita dun sa paano na ba kasi ngayon. Kasi pero for me,
okay, sige.
Dun sa letter niya, I mean, it's clear na hindi ka gusto. So, saan mo hinugot yung parang may something?
I think it's putting in the effort eh. Minsan kasi when you start putting in the effort, feeling mo agad.
At pareho kayo single?
Feeling mo agad na nagre-respond, may something. Kasi, yun nga, yung hope mo, diba? Yung hope mo, yun yung nagpo-push sa'yo eh. Diba? If you're hoping for something, sige, let me do this. Kasi baka bumalik yung investment. Pero that's what I'm wondering in this day and age. How do you cross over from the dating scene to being officially together?
Yeah, yung mag-jowa na.
Dati kasi you have to ask it, diba? I love you. Will you be my girlfriend?
Wala, hindi namin inabot yun. Kami ni Mike,
paano kayo nag-official?
Wala kami anniversary. Yung anniversary namin, yun yung araw na una kami nagkita. So, bigla na lang naging seryosohan.
Teka, sorry.
So, hindi kami umabot sa will you be my girlfriend. Walang ganon.
Paano kayo
nung nag-I love you ako, I love you too. Wala kaming ganon.
Paano mo nasabi na, okay, I'm not gonna see anyone anymore kasi
kami na rin lagi magkasama.
Yun lang?
Wala na kaming ibang kinig.
Are you
serious? Every single day, magkasama kaming dalawa. Tapos parang hanggang sa nag-live-in na kami, nagbahay-bahayan kami. Wala kaming like formal tayo na. Meron kayo?
Oo.
Kasi I feel like pang high school yung gano'n. Yung high school ako, merong gano'n na, kailan mo ako sasagutin? Sige na nga. Anong araw ngayon? Okay, June 4. High school to, ginawa ko yon. And college siguro. Pero nung kay Mike, hindi.
Si Esa kasi was
paano sa inyo?
In a dating phase. So para sa kanya, pag date lang to, wala. I'm also...
How did you make it, guys, official?
As a matter of fact, trivia, when I told her na I really like you, I'm not seeing anybody else, I want to date you exclusively. Alam mo sabi niya sa akin, oh talaga, shucks, I'm seeing somebody else eh.
Oh yeah, I remember.
Oo. Ako,
Sinabi mo yan.
yun yung sasabi. So medyo relate ako dito kay
yan.
Princess Bubblegum. Kasi, para sa akin, I was kind of hoping na, I feel the same. I'm only seeing you. Pero yung sagot sa akin, hindi eh. I'm seeing also, hindi mo naman kasi nilinaw eh.
Oh, tama.
Which I see like, in her mindset. Kanya-kanya mindset eh, diba? For her, wala ka naman sinabi. So, ako, if we're hanging out, we're just hanging out. We're not dating.
Mas maganda sana yung nangyari sa inyo para mas klaro na, okay, alam nating formal tayo, mag-jowa tayo, mag-boyfriend-girlfriend tayo, unlike yung nangyari sa amin na bigla na lang lagi magkasama everyday. Alam mo yon, mas okay sana yon. Pero, I don't know, sa amin it just happened eh. Ganun.
I think also, kailangan mo rin tansyahin eh. May tansyahan na mangyari.
Tansya-meter is
yun,
yan.
The tansya-meter. Because si Esa, natansya ko na if I did not tell her that I wanted to date exclusively, for her, it's just gonna be a
Kumbaga,
date.
you felt si Esa kailangan sabihin.
Correct.
But there are also like me na, hindi na to. Kasi parang, hindi ako masyadong formal. Parang okay sa akin na, okay, lagi na kami magkasama. Ito na yun, Ben.
Meron nga ako kilala. Basta magmomol. feeling nyo, kayo na.
May mga ayun ang hindi maganda. Kasi baka ito
that
yung nangyari
is wrong.
kay letter sender na baka kala mo lagi lang kayo nagmomomol.
Correct.
Okay na.
Oo.
Nag-a-assume ka na
Correct.
papunta sa seryosohan.
Diba,
hindi rin ganon.
sabi nga ni Jeff sa akin, yung momol ngayon, parang appear na lang eh.
Uy, hindi
Hindi ba? So, sorry, parang, appear na.
Depende. Pero kasi,
good game.
madalas pag nagsisimula sa momol, mas nag-i-end up ng di maganda. Pero
talaga
meron
ba?
din naman mga momol success stories.
Hindi ko na kung jet lag to. I'm so
meron
lost.
talaga.
Meron naman. Hindi,
Living example kami ng asawa ko sa mga momol success stories.
momol naman kiss lang eh, diba? So, paano kayo
Saan ba kayo mag-uumpisa bago nyo gawin yun? Di syempre, magmomomol muna kayo.
True.
Oo. Di ba? Pero yun nga kasi yung mahirap dito. Dapat pag momol pa lang yung face nyo or yung era nyo, hindi ka agad nag-a-assume na papunta sa seryosohan. So for me, ang may fault dito is si letter sender.
Ako pa,
Hindi ka naman,
hopeless romantic kasi ako pag nagminomol ko.
hindi porke nag-effort, be. Ano na to? Seryosohan. Walang ganun.
Hindi ako
Tsaka hindi mo masasabi na effort ba yun? Baka kasi sa tao, normal niya yun eh. Normal niyang ginagawa
Tama.
yung mga bagay na for you, effort.
Or yung mga pa-comment ka lang sa IG. If I'm on the receiving end, how would I know na okay,
Nilalandi.
nagko-comment ka, landi mo na pala sa akin yun. Kasi for me, di ba, kahit na pa-squirt ka dyan, sa akin, okay,
Meron lang talaga mga taong playful online.
Correct.
But
may
they
mga
don't
tao,
like you.
may mga tao maraming time. May mga taong who would spend a
or
lot of time.
ma-emoji.
Correct.
Right?
Or ma-comment.
Or
They would always
like,
comment on your post.
They will always comment. They're sweet online.
Yes, true.
But it doesn't mean gusto kang jowain.
Okay.
Ang sad.
Ang
sad.
But that's the world we live in today.
Yun ang realidad. Exactly.
Diba, I'm not gonna call it the game, but times have changed. Diba? The courting styles have changed. The way we get to know each other, diba? Everything has changed. So, maybe you are in that era where feeling mo nagparamdam ka, tapos naging cold siya. But she could also be on the other end saying na, paramdam mo na pala yun. Yun na pala yung paramdam mo.
Oo, hindi
Kasi
pala
hindi ka naging
siya
straight.
aware.
Like I said, I'm gonna use me and Essa as an example here. If I wasn't straightforward with Essa, she would probably also think na wala, it was just a date. We're just going out on a date.
Lalo pa dun sa image na meron ka. Before.
Napakabait.
Tanggap mo naman yun.
Napakabait.
Oo.
Diba? So for her, it was just a date and we'd go out on dates so I can date other people. Kasi wala ka naman sinasabi. So even if you were dating for months, for her, wala kang sinasabi. So we're just dating. That's it. But in your case,
Sa case namin,
you guys were dating for
hanging out.
a few
Sobrang
months.
tagal na.
Yun na yun. For you, that's it. Diba?
Like parang after 3 months, na-realize namin, okay, mukhang seryoso na to.
I think, number one, tingin mo ba pag ganito, game over na?
Oo, yes. Definitely. Yung
Hindi
sinasabi niya na parang happy, na parang wala lang. Dapat naman talaga masaya siya. I mean, ano bang ginawa niyang masama? Nag-assume ka. Hindi
Correct.
niya kasalanan na nag-assume ka.
Correct.
Hindi niya kasalanan na yung effort na pinakita niya sa'yo, feeling mo, yun na, walang sinabi na gusto ka. So wala talaga ako nakikita na mali doon. Except lang kung yung effort ay pang magjowa na. I mean, you will feel na yung ginagawang effort sa ng tao, hindi lang pang friendship level to. Mararamdaman mo yun.
Okay, wait.
Mararamdaman mo yun, papi.
Okay.
Meron kang gagawin sa type mong babae na di mo gagawin sa tropa lang yung tingin mo. Right?
Tama naman. Tama naman. May mga moves ka. Ito yung mga the moves.
Yes.
Diba? Pag dumada moves ka, yung mga dadala mo ng something or
dadala mo ng breakfast every day.
Oo.
Meron akong katrabahong ganyan. Dadala niya ng breakfast every day, yung workmate namin, pero hindi niya dadala yung iba. So, alam mo na agad nakikita mo.
Naalala ko si Esa. So, he went out, tapos I asked her out again. Sabi niya, I'm not feeling well. Sabi ko, hindi ako type nito kasi...
I'm not feeling well lang. I'm not feeling well lang. Hindi ka na type, papi.
Hindi, kasi nga ako.
Sobra mong paranoid, ha?
Hindi, kasi kaya nakaka-relate ako. Sabi ko, hindi ako type na. Pero pinadala ko ng Beroka package.
Ibang
ako nagdala, Beroka, ganyan.
Ikaw mismo?
Oo. Sa condo niya, oo. Tapos, kala na talaga.
Ilang months kayo
kala na talaga nagtatrabaho para sa Beroka. Ganun talaga.
Napagkamalan po yung PR sa Beroka.
Hindi, pero yun nga tama I have to agree with you. There are things you would do for a person you like.
See?
Na hindi mo gagawin for a tropa or a non-normal person for that matter.
And there are people na nag-a-assume tas hindi maamin sa sarili nila na nag-a-assume sila. Kasi syempre masakit naman yun, papi. Lalo pa dun sa letter niya, meron siyang binanggit. Alam ko naman, one way. See, sa'yo na galing. May ganun Hindi mutual. Something like that. May binanggit dun sa letter. You know for a fact, hindi mutual yung feelings. So bakit, I mean...
Alam mo, yung pag-assume, yan yung pinakamasakit pero pinakamasarap.
Huh?
Masarap, yung kilig face yung nag-a-assume ba, shit.
Gusto ka.
Oo. Nag-good night sa akin.
Parang baka iba na iniisip mong,
hindi.
Okay, sige.
Kasi
parang tumirik po yung mata ni Papa. Charing!
Pag nag-a-assume kayo yung masarap
Dala ng turkey to,
Diba?
Okay.
So, yun nga sinasabi ko.
Masarap ba yun? Ako ayoko nang nag-a-assume. Hindi, mapatrabaho or love life, ayoko talaga nung feeling na parang, hindi ko alam kung...
But as humans,
we're like that.
True. We're always... minsan excited, minsan
Hoping
stress.
for the best.
Yeah. Because when we don't know what's gonna happen, we're on exciting na, like I said, minsan stressful, minsan masaya.
Correct.
Diba? But that's what makes us human.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think it's a dead-end situation for this?
For me, yes.
Wala na to?
Wala na yan. Wala na nga pa sa'yo No reply nga. Ikaw na nagsabi, no reply is a reply. True.
Mm-hmm.
May mga moments lang talaga sa buhay natin na dapat siguro mas-sensitive tayo dun sa pinapakita sa atin ng tao.
Do you think if she did it any other way, it would have been better?
Like saying what you're feeling? Ano ba to?
Kasi puro, hindi naman siya nagaya. Didn't ask the person out. Diba? Puro
yes,
text.
Definitely. Siguro ayaw din niya nung, ano ba to? Okay. Naglalandian kami online, pero saan papunta? That is why it's always better na may sasabihin ka kung nandun kayo sa phase na parang gray area, di mo alam ano ba tayo.
Correct.
Magsalita ka, may gawin ka talaga dapat.
I think that's one thing that we can learn from this. If there's something you want, a person that you like, it takes balls to say, to express your feelings. Kasi that puts you in the vulnerable position Whenever, sabi nga nila pag umamin ng feelings talo. Sabi nga nila yun. Nakausap ko yung mga philosopher sa Greek. Sa Greek.
Iba nagagawa ng Turkey at Greece at Santorini
Ang una umamin ng feelings talo. Kasi you make yourself vulnerable to the other person. Kumbaga, nilatag mo na, uy, type kita. Ngayon, the other person will have some sort of power on you. Kasi, like mo ako.
Pero yung mga philosophers sa Tondo, nakausap ko rin.
Ano sabi?
Sabi ng mga tropa pips ko sa Tondo.
Ano sabi nila?
Sabi nila kung sino ang unang umamin ng feelings, kahit na busted, panalo pa rin daw.
Wow!
Yun ang sinasabi nila.
I love it. Mm-hmm. I love it.
Kasi wala kang dala-dalang baggage.
That's true. And
diba?
And this sa akin, there's nothing wrong if you try.
Yeah.
At least the person knows. At least you came forward with it. Kasi yung ganito, 'di ba? You were caught, in a cloud. Feeling mo ganito, feeling mo ganyan, nag-a-assume kayo pareho, nag-a-assume ka. Wala ka pala sinabi, hindi ka naman nagaya. So, at the end of the day, what are we gonna do with that? It's a very tricky situation because you did not do something. And it's always going to be a what if. But for now, I also believe, I agree with Chacha na it's dead end na. No? Move on, but learn. Move on, but learn from what happened in this situation.
And in the first place, bakit ba siya natakot?
Yun nga eh. Hanggang
takot ma-reject, kaya hindi nagsalita.
Of course, lahat naman
most of the time like that.
Hanggang emoji na lang ba tayo? Hanggang DM na lang ba tayo? If you want something, go for it. Make a move. Make your move. You have to be bold about it.
Wag hayaang hanggang emoji lang ang love story nyo.
Kasi kahit emoji, di ba? Iba-iba interpretation natin.
Uy, totoo yun. Sobrang totoo. Agree.
Yung iba, papadala ng talong.
Minsan, lalo na pag senior citizen yung gumamit. My God, tinuturuan ko nanay at tatay ko. Huwag mong gagamitin tong emoji na to. Di ba? Aminin mo. So, tama si Papi.
Ay, no. Everything's subject to interpretation. So, para maiwasan yung mga ganyan, yung mga assumption, be clear with your intentions, be bold about it.
Say what you feel.
Yeah, say what you feel. Avoid the whole gray area. Kaya nagkakagulo, ang daming gray area.
Tama.
Kaya din man iwasan. We hope we were able to help. Thank you for your letter. Ayan, nabasa na natin. No? My name is Sam YG.
And this is Chacha.
Be safe, be good. God bless.
Bye-bye.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.